Hi guys, so today we're going to make a lemon ricotta cookie. So this is one of those one bowl cookie recipe. It's very easy and simple, so let's get started. We're gonna start by creaming our butter. So I have here a softened butter. You can use salted or unsalted. If you're using the salted, you can just probably remove the salt from the recipe. And then we're gonna pour sugar. And then we're just gonna beat this until mixed. And to this, we're going to add 1 egg. So after 3 minutes, this is what you're hoping to see. It's a lighter color. It's light and fluffy. So now the next thing that we're gonna do, let's just scrape the sides of the bowl before we add the ricotta cheese. We're gonna add the ricotta. So make sure that even the ricotta cheese is in room temperature. So you basically want most of your ingredients in room temperature. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add the all-purpose flour. And the baking powder and salt. And of course the lemon zest, because this is a lemon ricotta cookie. Okay. So just to avoid splattering the flour, I'm just gonna mix this manually, and then we're gonna use the hand mixer. Okay, now we can use the hand mixer to continue mixing. We don't want to over mix it, so just to combine everything until there's no more traces of raw flour, and then that's it. See, that fast. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to scoop this cookie into a parchment lined cookie sheet. So I am going to use a large ice cream cookie scooper. That will give us about 9-10 pieces. You can also use a smaller scoop, which will yield about 12 pieces. While we're waiting for the cookie to bake, we can make our sugar glaze. So I already have here a sifted icing sugar or confectioner sugar. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add lemon juice. And of course, some lemon zest. I'm using a lemon juice because I like the tart taste of the lemon. It somehow balances the sweetness of the sugar. If you don't have any lemon juice, you can just use milk, or you can also use water. You can have the glaze thick or thin. It depends on your preference. So just make sure to add the liquid gradually so that you can see the consistency change. So basically I added about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then I have 3/4 icing sugar. So this is basically, I like the thickness of this one. This looks nice. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, so it's just perfect for drizzling. So okay, and then we're just gonna wait for the cookie to bake, and then we're gonna frost it once it's cooled. Okay, so this is now our finished product. So I had this resting for 30 minutes just to make sure that the cookie is completely cooled down before we put the sugar glaze on top.